Top 10 places to visit Finland. Finland is renowned for its stunning natural landscapes, vibrant cities, and rich cultural heritage. Here are the top 10 places to visit in Finland. Helsinki. The capital city offers a blend of modern design, historic architecture, and seaside beauty. Must-visit spots include the Helsinki Cathedral, Suomenlinna Fortress, and the Design District. Rovaniemi, Lapland. Known as the home of Santa Claus, Rovaniemi offers magical experiences, especially during the winter. You can visit Santa Claus Village, go on a reindeer safari, or witness the Northern Lights. Lapland Beyond. Rovaniemi. Lapland is a winter wonderland known for its snowy landscapes, ski resorts like Levi and Ilves, and the chance to stay in ice hotels or glass igloos to see the Northern Lights. Turku, Finland's oldest city, offers rich history, charming streets, and beautiful islands. The Turku Castle and the Archipelago Trail are popular attractions. It's also a gateway to explore the Åland Islands. Lake Saimaa. Finland's largest lake system offers stunning scenery, perfect for activities like boat tours, fishing, and hiking. The Mikkeli and Savonlinna areas are particularly popular for exploring the lake's beauty. Porvoo. This picturesque medieval town is located just east of Helsinki and is known for its charming cobblestone streets, colorful wooden houses, and the Porvoo Cathedral. It's perfect for a day trip from the capital. Koli National Park. A UNESCO Global Geopark, Koli offers breathtaking views of the landscape from its hilltops. It's ideal for hiking, nature walks, and photography, especially in the autumn when the forests are colorful. Seurasaari Island. Located near Helsinki, Seurasaari is an open-air museum that showcases traditional Finnish wooden houses and rural life. It's a peaceful spot for a walk and offers insight into the country's cultural heritage. Inari. Situated in the far north, Inari is known for its Sami culture and the beautiful Lake Inari. It is also home to the Sida Museum, which showcases Sami history and traditions and offers a chance to experience Arctic nature. 10th last place. Nuuksio National Park. Located just outside Helsinki, this park is known for its dense forests, rocky terrain, and beautiful lakes. It's a great spot for hiking, bird watching, and experiencing Finland's nature, just a short trip from the capital. These locations highlight Finland's diverse natural beauty, from the coastal cities to the pristine wilderness of Lapland.